Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna learn is skirt. I came up with skirt after Nikolai. He showed me this idea of moving your index finger down underneath a thumb cut packet, and I thought that was super interesting. It's kind of a stretch, but there's a lot of possibilities from that grip, and I came up with skirt, and I think it's one of my best one-handed cuts. So yeah, let's learn it. Alright, so to do skirt, you want to move the deck up like so. Push it up into a thumb cut position and grab it with your thumb, and then open up half of the deck or a little bit less, and then just open it up like so and put it into sort of a scissor cut position. Open up like this, and then your index finger is going to curl in and then touch this long edge of this packet right here, and then split it. You're only going to split it a little bit before you're going to throw it up into the air and then catch it in this position. So you're sort of going to move your index finger out and then move your thumb towards your index finger and snap it into position. You can't really do this slowly. I can try, but it's gonna be like that. But you do have to sort of move quickly to make the packet go all the way up there. Once it's in this position, you want to clip it between these two fingers and then move it over the packet, and then you're in this position. Move your thumb out of the way so that these two packets sort of square up, and then you push up with your index finger so that this packet goes up here, and then this packet all the way down here goes on top of your index finger and then up to the main packet here, and then you're done with skirt. Alright, so when you're doing skirt, it's pretty important to keep this one rotation seeming like one movement so you don't get stuck at the top here or something. What you want to make sure is that it's like it flips over in one movement. Getting the packet to split off down here is kind of tricky, and that was sort of what Nikolai, he sort of introduced me to. He told me about, imagine, you know, taking your index finger down here and doing something with this, and then I came up with splitting the packet, and the way that you do that is by sort of pushing in with your thumb, and your index finger slowly or just very subtly moves a packet out. It's on the side of your index finger, so it's kind of awkward and not something that you usually do, but if you sort of wiggle your thumb down and get it just right, you can split off a packet. And make sure that this packet is slightly smaller than this one. And then, as I said before, make this whole rotation seem like one movement, because if it does that, you can continue that sort of rolling over by moving this packet up and then of course closing the cut, but the whole thing sort of rolls together, and I think that's an important thing to think about when you're practicing skirt.